Hi, my name is Amelia Tallman, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, I'm here today talking about arranging flowers in floral foam. We already have our receptacle ready, and the floral foam is in the container. We're going to green it first. One of the really neat things about working with floral foam is you can achieve a lot of different shaped arrangements because it holds your flowers and your greenery exactly where you put it. So you can kind of, if you can visualize things in 3 dimensions, think about what you might like to create out of this arrangement. And I think what I'm going to do with this one is enhance the squares of this container. So I'm going to use the greenery to create the shape initially and bring the corners out. Floral foam's a little tricky to work with. You don't want to be pushing greenery and or flowers in and out of the floral foam over and over and over, because the hole will get bigger and bigger, and sooner or later the greenery or flowers will just fall out. So it's something to think about. Try and get a good visualization of where you want your flower to lie before you push it in. You can pull it out probably once and push it back in without creating too much havoc for yourself, but too many more times and it's not going to want to go back so well. So here again I said I was going to try and work with the points of this square. Nice thing about this greenery is it kind of cascades, and I'm using that to my advantage and bringing the arrangement down towards the table. So once I get these 4 pieces in, they're going to kind of be the base for how I'm going to work throughout this arrangement. And you just want to keep on moving in from here. So I'm basically going to use this and move upward. I'm not going to create a really tall arrangement because, again, we're trying to create a low-lying table arrangement that people can maybe have a dinner party and sit down and be able to see across the table at each other's faces.